Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, it's another Beauty Over 40 collab. And you know, I am working with these beautiful women, y'all. We do this each month, and we decided this month that we were going to do a pastel look. So, this is the look your girl came up with. And I cannot wait to see what look the other ladies came up with. And their links will be in the description bar. So, once you finish watching this video, I need you to run on over there and check out their videos. Okay? Okay. All right, but if you want to see how I got this look, you keep watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life.
All right, ladies, let's get into this look. I'm using the Urban Decay Element palette. Y'all, I had to go find me a palette for some pastel colors. So the first color that I'm going into is that pink color called Dream Weaver. And what I decided to do was take that color and I am gonna put that as my kind of like my transition color. But yeah, I had to pack it and build it up so the color can really show up in the way that I wanted it to show up. So other times when you're working with eyeshadows and they're not giving you that punch that you want, just continue to pack it and then blend a little bit. Pack and blend, pack and blend. Yeah, I was excited to be able to do some pastels because I normally don't even get into pastel colors because they're really not my thing, but you know. So the next color I decided to use is called Heavy Waters, a gorgeous blue. It's like almost a little darker than a sky blue. Well, I guess a water. That's what I say is Heavy Waters. And I'm going to use that color on the lid right in the center portion of my lid. I'm just going to pack that on because when I think of pastels, I think of these pretty blues. So I figure, hey, why not? Throw a little blue on there and see what it do. And now we're going to go into a color called Secret Keepers. And again, when I think of pastels, I think of real soft, gorgeous greens. So I went ahead and added that towards the outer portion of my eyelid. And I'm just going to build that color up and just continue to pack it and bring it all the way out to the edge of the eye. So you'll see me bring it all the way out to the edge of the eye. Y'all, when I tell you I do not do pastels often, I really do not do pastels, and especially not multiple colors of pastels. So this was definitely out of my comfort zone, and I'm so glad that we decided to do something that kind of pushed me, pushed your girl on out there to see, what can she do. Now we're gonna go into the color called Dream Wavers. And I'm going to use that to kind of do a little cleaning. And then I'm also going to pack that color right on the edge to build that up on the edge. And then just clean it right into the crease. You see I'm bringing that into the crease because I do want that pink to have a little bit of a pop. So that's why I decided to pull it into the crease so you can actually see it. And then I'm going to go back in with y'all Heavy Waters now. Okay? I was like, how am I going to do this? So I decided to take Heavy Waters right above my crease, and then I'm just blending that in. And sometimes when you're dealing with a shimmer, you have to be careful because you don't want too much. So I was trying to go very light-handed with that, but I do want that pretty blue to go right on top of that pink for you to be able to see that. And I want all the colors represented on the lid as well as the space above the lid, if that makes sense. And then what I'm going to do is go in and blend. Blend. I did a lot of blending. I just cut it out. But I definitely have to blend out those shimmers so you can have a nice transition. And then I'm going to go back in with Secret Keeper because, like I said, I want to have all of those shades represented on the eye, on the lid, as well as in the... I was jamming, y'all. Let me tell you something. I love to listen to music and do makeup. But anyway, I wanted to make sure all those colors were represented. So I decided to put that right on the brow bone and just blend that out. And I know you ain't supposed to be moving your eyes around like that, but I have to lift my eyes up. Am I the only one that have to lift their eye up like that when they're trying to get that brow bone color to be right where you want it to be? So that's what your girl was doing. So I was just basically placing it and blending it at the same time. And I really like how it came out. It's really starting to look pretty. And now I'm going to go in with this color called Ego. Now, Ego is the color I want to put right in the inner portion of the eye, just to give it a little bit of pop of pink, just to add a little bit more pink to the situation, because I feel like the blue and the green were very powerful and they were kind of like taking over. So I said, let me add a little bit more pink. And y'all, this is my face. I'm gonna go do my whole face and I'm gonna come back, and when you see me again, I'm gonna be cute. All right, y'all, this is my final look for my pastel color. Let me pull you up a little closer. Get y'all all up in my mix. But this was the eye look came out, y'all. There's lashes. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, I enjoyed doing this look, and y'all, I really like how it came out. I felt like wearing this nice pastel color with some denim. To me, it pulls it all together. And I did go in with a nice soft pink lip. So I feel I'm cute. She cute. I am liking this look, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Make sure you go and check out all the ladies. All the ladies that are participating, their information will be in the description bar. And if you're not following your girl on IG at It's Lori's Life, I'm gonna need for you to start following me there, okay? But y'all, this is it. I love doing this Beauty Over 40 collab each month, and it was so much fun. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.